So here again today, guys. Today I made a video about the coconuts, and I will walk you through the different phases of the coconut and how it will taste according to how old it is. And coconut I'm having is 6 to 8 months old, and its flesh is quite thinner than the more mature coconuts. It will not taste that great as compared as to the more mature coconuts. The water will not be that sweet. So we're gonna go with the tender one, and which is the younger coconut. We'll go with that first. These guys have the sleight of hand, sleight of hand, man. Great. So this is the first coconut, and I'm on a challenge today. So drink how much coconut water can I drink, and this is the most tender coconut I could find. We'll circumcise the coconut and we'll drink the juice out of it. Coconut water drops on your shirt, it will get steam. So it's better drink the coconut water with a straw. On the internet, I have read a lot of articles. A lot of people are like, coconut's flesh is the coconut's cum. They are like, looks like cum. I don't know. It's coconut's cum that you're eating, man. Turns out it is cum. We'll love it a lot, and yes, it's good. The more mature the coconut is, the more tasty the meat will be. That's period. Coconut got the flesh like this. This is the second coconut, and it's 8 months old, I guess. And the endosperm, which is the flesh inside the coconut, it's kind of thin, and it has a lot of water. So this is a lot younger than the other one which I had, and it has no flesh in this. It's only water, the thin flesh. Yes. Coconut is high in potassium, and one coconut has like 20% of the potassium intake of your daily need. How much potassium can I have until this is fatal for me? So this is the third coconut which I'm having, and this is a lot mature than the other two, and it has a little bit of thicker flesh in this, and it seems to have a lot of water. It is quite sweeter than the other two. The more mature the coconut is, the sweeter will be the water. I'm up to like 750 ml, at least 800 ml coconut water now. Let's see if I can do one more. Maybe I'm delusional. This has got like half a flesh and promises. We can't believe the politicians. How can I just believe a coconut, right? I shouldn't say this, but there are a lot of questions on the internet saying, is coconut flesh cum? Yeah, it is. Actually, it is the endosperm of the coconut. I'm having a lot of coconut endosperm. I might call it, I'm having a vegetative bukkake. If coconut meat is cum, and I guess having all these coconut these many years in my life makes me a guy who had a vegetative bukkake. You know, simple word, bukkake. Bukkake in Japanese means to splash water on. It means simple as that. And if you are having a noodles in Japan, which is like soggy and which has soup in that, they'll be like, you're having bukkake noodles. But the internet made bukkake something else, and there's some other meaning to that. I have to be politically correct. And I love having vegetative bukkake as long as it's coconut meat. The coconut water has a lot of nutrients and it's quite good for your body. If you drink coconut water, it'll replenish your body, do this and that, make you young and old at the same time. I don't know how to sell this. Okay. Coconut water helps when you're having a lot of meat or the things or the food which generate a lot of heat in the body. It might be nuts or dry fruits, meat, this and that, everything which is not easily digestible from the body. It's quite good for your kidney. It'll help your kidney to function better. And guys, while I was having coconut water today, a guy came up to talk to the guy who was selling the coconut water and just said right up, "Oh damn man, someone just fart near me and it smelled disgusting. It felt like he ate a dead body for dinner." It made a lot of sense in the language that he was talking, but these are the common conversations. Hey boss, can I get some coconut? Coconut? Guys, comment down below. Would you like to have a vegetative bukkake? Bye bye Corona. Hey Corona, bye. Bye to you too. Bye Corona. Bye. I don't know if you're a boy or girl. Just bye. You're bisexual maybe. Bye. I don't know pronounce. I couldn't be calling you bye, but bye. Bye. You're bye too. Bye.